I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, communication is very important, especially when you are in hospitality industry. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I help you something?
Yes, sir. Where's the faculty room?
You just go over there and you will see the faculty.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, we need to speak English to communicate to others. Hi, can I ask?
Sure.
What is the library?
Over there.
I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, I do public speaking. So guys, I have an announcement for our exam on October 4. Be ready for the exam and prepare.
I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, I know how to solve a SWOT analysis. And also, I know how the proper blogging makes. What's up guys? For today's video, we were going to buy a new stuff. That's all, thank you.
I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, I know how the proper way in performing pizza presentation.
I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, I will able to speak English in no time. And I know what's research concept. Research concept is research design, research techniques, and research approach.
I am a purposive communication student. Of course, constantly exploring the strategies and techniques that make communication effective. And as a purposive communication student, I'm always striving to effectively convey my message.
I am a purposive communication student. Of course, always striving to understand the power of words and impact on audiences. And as a purposive communication student, I am constantly analyzing how messages are constructed and interpreted.
Purposive communication student, of course, I focus on learning how to communicate effectively in different settings. My studies help me understand how to convey messages clearly and engage with diverse audiences.
I am a purposive communication student. Of course, in class, I actively participate in discussion, sharing my insights on effective communication strategies. Excuse me, may I share my thoughts on this? I believe that incorporating these matters in our presentation can help clarify complex concepts and engage the audience more effectively.
Thank you for sharing your insight, RJ guys. That's a great suggestion.
I'm a purposive communication student. Of course, I know how to make a research proposal. A research proposal describes what will you investigate, why it is important, and how will you conduct your research.
We are purposive communication student. Of course,
We do